How to verify your Google Business Profile. So first, what you want to do is just simply search for Google Business Profile here on the Google search. And once you're there, you could see your Google account right here or your Google Business Profile when you scroll down and just simply click on View Profile and it will bring you right here and it will say that customers can't see your business information. So get verified to let them find you on Google. So what you need to do is click on Get Verified right here and wait for it to load. And here you will simply need to fill up on the details, then click on next. Once that's done, you will just simply need to get a verification via phone code or a business video. So a business video, what you will need to do here is record a video of your business. So it will need to show your location, equipment, and proof of management. So your video is only used for verification and won't be shown publicly. So for me, I'm going to use a phone code verification and just simply click on next. Then it will bring you right here. Just click on next again. You can either pick from call or text message. Now, once it's done, as you can see, you're being verified by Google and it may take up to 5 days until your verification is reviewed. And as you can see, Google is processing your verification and it may take up to 5 days. So you just simply need to wait for it.